If you woke up and the power was out, could you feed your family breakfast? What if the power went out for a month? What's in your pantry? These delicious, fluffy pancakes are my power out go-to. Yes, it's a prepper meal, but perfect for any day, any breakfast, just like all my recipes, straight from the pantry. I'm sure you've heard to stock up on beans and rice to feed your family in emergencies. Gross. I'm turning the prepping food community upside down. No more beans and rice, no more buckets of nasty pouch food. All my recipes make your daily life easier and double as emergency food. It's a 2-for-1, and I'm going to help you get your pantry stocked, starting with these melt-in-your-mouth, soul-hugging pancakes. But I have to tell you a secret. You could buy the ingredients for these pancakes and store it away for a year in Mylar bags, and it would be just as delicious the day you bought it. That's why I love pantry meals. They are quick and easy for daily life, but also perfect to have on hand for emergency power outages or, heaven forbid, another global pandemic, when those lines were wrapping around the grocery store. Let me show you how to make these cozy morning, weekend-worthy, apocalypse-proof pancakes and syrup straight from your pantry. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rig system that has us locked in our kitchen for hours when there is a better way. Everything you need is in your pantry. No more hours of slicing and dicing. I show you how to make delicious quick meals for about $1 or $2. No hours of prep. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll make sure that you never have to worry about meals again, for tomorrow or 30 years from now. Fluffy pancakes and syrup is delicious any morning or for dinner, but you always need to make sure you have an extra bag of pancake mix on hand. It's cheap and you never know when you need to make breakfast with no power. This is everything you need. Pancake mix, vinegar, butter powder, maple syrup, water, and cooking spray. Start with a medium-sized bowl. Mix your pancake mix with your water and add a tablespoon of vinegar. This is the secret ingredient. It makes it taste like buttermilk pancakes. Mix it all up and let it sit for about 5 minutes. While your batter is bubbling, whip up your butter by combining your butter powder and your water. This stuff is actually really delicious, and it's great for having on hand for baking or when your kids use your last stick of butter. Once you see bubbles in your batter, it's ready to go. Preheat your pan or grill on your gas stove to medium-high. Spray with some cooking spray and pour about 1/3 cup on your pan for a jumbo pancake. Let it cook for about 60 to 90 seconds till you see bubbles start to form, and then you know it's time to flip. Let it cook for another 60 seconds and you are done. Repeat until all your batter is done. Top your fluffy pancakes with butter and syrup. The result? The most soul-hugging, melt-in-your-mouth, creamy, golden pancakes to brighten any day, especially if the power is out. You have to try this recipe for an easy breakfast, recipe below. But also, while you're at loadedpotato.org, ordering your groceries, grab some extra and stash it for a rainy day. If meals have been feeling like a never-ending burden, it's time to ditch the Martha Stewart ideals and follow me for quick, shelf-stable meals, and visit loadedpotato.org to find recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and my family fridge-free favorite. And while you're there, use our auto grocery calculator to stock your pantry like a boss for tomorrow and for 30 years from now. Just pick your meals and we'll build your Walmart or Amazon cart for you. All free, all click and go. Never worry about another meal again, especially breakfast. Loadedpotato.org. Till next time.